Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word commandeered. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The sailors commandeered a passing fishing boat to escape the sinking ship. Commandeered means to take control or possession of something, such as a vehicle or property, without permission or by force, typically for official use. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.